Hey everybody, it's David with American Field Trip, and we're here in Big Bend National Park today in Texas, and that's Mexico over there. We're sitting here on the Rio Grande River, and I've been doing a little bit of work on the bus, and I haven't been able to find this piece of information on the internet, so I thought I'd share it with you. But it's the location of the fuel pump controller, or the fuel pump driver module. And we have an E450, a Ford E450 Super Duty van with the 6.8 liter V10 gas engine. And it took me a while to find it, but it's actually pretty easy to get to. It is on the frame rail, the inside edge of the frame rail on the driver's side, just in front of the back wheels. So I'll take you down and show you. Here's the back wheels, and if you get down and go up underneath here, you can see here is the frame rail on the driver's side, and the driver module is back behind on the frame rail, and it's that guy right over there. And so it's actually it's pretty easy to get to, and we got a check engine light on it, and had it red, and it was this, and then the check engine light went back off again. So I've just had my eye on it, but maybe we'll be replacing it here, and if I do, I'll show you guys the process.